Okay, let's start. So today we'll discuss about the copy control in SAP SD. So basically, this is one of the most important topic in the configuration point of view while creating the documents with reference to other documents. Okay, so let's start with this, and you can check with the table of content. And now we will understand what is copy control. See, copying controls are short programs used when copying the data from one sales document to another. Okay, so basically what we do, we are going to create the documents, right? See, the first document is inquiry document, then we'll create the quotation will be created with reference to the inquiry document, and with respect to quotation we are going to create the sale order document. Okay, whenever we are creating a document, let's say quotation. Okay, if you are creating a quotation with reference to inquiry document, see, all the data, whatever we have maintained in the inquiry document, it will be copied to the quotation. Same way, if you are going to generate a sale order document with reference to the quotation, all the data will be copied in the sale order from the quotation. Okay. Same way, if you are going to generate a delivery document with reference to sale order, same way in the delivery document, all the data which has been maintained in the sale order, it will be copied. And again, at last, we create billing. So whenever we create a billing, same based on the delivery document, all the data will be copied in the billing document. Okay, so how it is copying, how we can control that copying method is based on the copy control. Okay, so this consists of a routine that tells the system how data from the source document should be transferred to the target document. Source document means a reference document. Okay, so as I told you, now if you are creating a sale order with respect to quotation, quotation is the source document and target document is the sale order. Okay, so an existing SD document can be used as the basis of creating new. For example, creating a sale order with reference to a quotation. In such cases, the system copies all the data or only specific data from the source document into target document. Okay, what I told you. So SAP delivers a standard set of these routines, but additional routine can be generated to fulfill the business requirement that are not covered by the system as delivered. Copying control are configured at three levels of sales document. One is header level, item level, and scheduling line level. Okay. So whenever you are going to generate any of the sale document, you will be having three levels. One is header level, item level, and scheduling line level. So copying control governs which source document can be copied into target document, what data should be copied. Okay, what data, see, basically whatever the data we maintain, it defines what data has to copy. Then item copying rules, it will define the rules. Price redetermination or carry forward, quantity copying rules, requirement routine, and data transfer routine. All these we'll see. Let's say we'll go with the business scenario. Okay, so a sales representative at ABC Enterprises Limited creates a quotation for a customer. Once the customer confirms the deal, creates a representative creates a sale order with reference to the quotation instead of re-entering every details. And the copy control carries the customer, item, quantity, and pricing into new order, saving time and preventing data entry mistake. Okay, so this is one of the business scenario of this copy control. So it saves the time, it carries all the data what we have maintained in the quotation. Why copy control is important? Already I told you. Copy control is used throughout the complete order to cash cycle, what I told you. Okay, same. So without copying control, the system cannot create reference document correctly. A warehouse could ship the wrong item, wrong quantity, or an invoice could bill a customer for item that never delivered, because the system would have no reliable rule for carrying data forward accurately between documents in order to cache child. So basically, what happens if the copy control uh, without the copy control, document cannot be created correctly. There may be a chances of wrong quantity will be delivered from the warehouse, the wrong billing process will be occurred. Okay, so to avoid this, the copy control is important. Now, what are the areas of copy control? See, inquiry to quotation will create, quotation to sale order will create, sale order to delivery will create, delivery to billing will create, From return order we'll create, credit memo we'll create, contract, release order. See, all these we are going to create. These are the different areas where copy control applies across the sales cycle. Okay. So same I told you, no? So see, we have sales to sales document. That means inquiry to quotation, quotation to contract, contract to sale order. Okay, and return order. These are all the sales documents. Billing document. So referring to billing document creates credit memo and debit memo. Okay. Sales to delivery document, that is sale order to delivery document. Sales to billing, billing to billing. Okay, that is invoice, credit memo, and all. Delivery to billing. So these are the different areas. Okay, how the copy control will work. So the company sells at a store counter. See, here we have one scenario. Company sells at one at a store, that is cash sales. Ship ships stock from its warehouse and issues credit memo for return goods, that is bill to bill. Okay, if you are creating a credit memo, the copy control will be maintained with respect to billing document to billing document. Okay, and each flow sits into different copy control area, but all them rely on the same underlying mechanism to carry data from one document to another document, that is one document into next document. Okay, now we'll go with the main components. As I told you, we have header data, item data, and scheduling line data. What is header data? Header data contains general document data. That means customer number, okay, the customer name, freight charges, terms of payments, everything. Item details mean material details. Okay, what plant, which shipping point, okay, delivery date and all. Scheduling lines contains quantity and date copying. Okay, so here copy control works at three levels. See these levels: header, item, and scheduling lines, and it accesses through mainly family of transaction. So codes built for four-letter prefix. So here we use VT. Okay, VT is the common prefix for copy control transaction. A refers to the sale order. Okay, related copy. L refers to the delivery related element, and F related to the billing. See VA01, okay, VL0102, VF01. That's why with respect to those transaction codes, so those codes will be defined for this. So I will tell you what exactly this. See here, VT is the common prefix. If the sale order document is copying to the sale order document, then VTAA. Okay, if the sale order is using copying to the delivery document, then VTAL. Okay, all these we'll see. So when SD consultant needs to check why a new customer order type is not inheriting price from its quotation, the first place to look into is VT transaction. For example, VTAA is for order to order copy control. Okay, see here we have, you can see VTAA. See VTAA to check the document copy control from sale order to sale order. Sales document to delivery document. Delivery document, in that case, VTAL. A means sale order, L means delivery document. So this VTAA, VTAL, these are all the transaction codes which we can use it for the to maintain the copy control, to manage the copy control. Okay, see, VT is common, A is target, A is the source. See, these two elements are the common. One second. Okay, so then third element is the source, target, and this is the source. Okay, and same way delivery document to billing document. See here, delivery document to the billing document. VTFA, sales document to billing document. Billing document to sales document, VTAF. Billing document to billing document, VTFF. Okay, all these we will see. So first we will go with the walkthrough with the quotation to sale order. Okay, so first we'll create one quotation. Okay, I will create one quotation. Okay, so with respect to the quotation, we will generate one sale order. Okay, we'll create one sale order. See here, we'll create one sale order, and we will review the auto fields. Okay, what are the auto fields, and the copy control will be verified. So first what I will do, I will go back to this. I'll log into the system. Okay. Now I'll create one quotation VA21, and here I'll use QT. TQ I will use. I think I don't have. TO we have. Okay, I'll use QT. Okay. Then sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Enter. And now here I will use my sold to party, and this is testing. And here I'll use the material. Let's say quantity 10. And here I'll maintain the plant, and the price I will maintain. Enter. Enter again. Then check all the details. So quotation validity, let's say I will take for 1 month or 1 week. Then check the incompletion log. Okay, we have some, basically this loading date, these are all, it should not ask, but it is asking. Just take today's date only. Copy. Just take today's date. Okay. So basically it won't ask. So due to some configuration changes, it is asking. Now you can go back to this. See, document is complete. Now I will save this. See, the quotation is created. Quotation is created. Copy the quotation. And now what I will do, I will go to VA01. I will go to VA01. So here I will select OR. Okay. Then create with reference. So here I will paste my quotation. Click on copy. See here, if you click on copy, see, item selection means if you have multiple items. Let's say we have only one item, right? One material. Okay. So if you click on copy, it will select that. If you have multiple items, in that multiple items, if you want to select the particular items, okay, in that case, go to item selection. So if you go to item selection, so if you have multiple items, just select it and click on copy. It will copy whatever you have selected here. See? Okay. See, order quantity. Now you can review what are all the things it has been copied. See what all, see, payment terms copied. See, this is my header data. This is my header data. See what all it contains. It contains, see, customer number, see, sales details, item details, ordering party details, procurement details, shipping details. Okay. See here it is asking test. See, shipping details. Okay. And see, every details it is copied. And here we have item details. If you double click on this, so these are all the item details. And here you have scheduling line details. So these are called scheduling line details. Okay. Now we'll check the incompletion log. See, again it is asking the same. So we'll rectify this later. Okay. Enter. Okay. See, all the data has copied. So let's say I will confirm 10 quantity. Okay. Now go back. Now what I will do, see, we have reviewed all. Okay. As per this, see, I review all auto fields. Now I will save. See, quotation copied clearly into sale order, customer, material, quantity, price, every detail it has copied. Now I will save this. See, 74 is created. Now, where copy control is configured, where it can be configured, see, we'll see here. So we'll go to this. See here, we have this path. See, we have this path. You can go to, see, sales and distribution, sales, copy control for sales document. Go to SIMG. And here we have a sales and distribution. And here, see, we have sales. Sorry, we have sales, copy control for sales document. Here we have copy control sales document to sales document. So enter. You can see here VTAA transaction. Okay, now what you have to do? Position. See sales document. See, this is the target company code OR, and here QT. Enter. You can see here target is OR and source is QT. See here OR QT. Now I will tell you the details. Copy control settings. That is, so you can go with the transaction code as well. VTAA. Okay, VTAA. Okay. So I'll show you, and I will go to VTAA. So I'll go back. I'll go back and I'll type VTAA. You can see here, it will take you to that screen only. So I'll click on position, and here I will give OR, and this is QT. You can see here OR and QT. So, and one more thing I told you earlier, right? One more thing I told you earlier. So whenever you are creating your own sale order type or quotation type, so it will ask you whether you want to copy the control. See, let's show you. I will show you. Okay. See, first I will go with these details. See, these are the standard OR and QT. Okay, OR and QT. One second, where it has gone. Yeah. See OR and QT. See here. See, I will go to header details. See, I told you, it has been divided in. Once again. Okay. See, you can see here we have header data. Okay. So select the line item and go to header details. Or else double click on this. It will take you to the header details. See, these are the header details. See, target is OR and source is QT. And here we have copy requirement, data transfer VBAK, that is general header data, data transfer VBDK, that is header business data, data transfer VBPA, that is partner data. Here we have copy item number, complete reference. Okay, all these we will discuss here. Okay, when data is copied QT to order, the customer on header must match if different customer is used. Here we have, see here copy requirement, it will be always 0001. And here we have different datas. You can see basically these are all ABAP source code. Okay, so you should not change any of the transaction code here. Okay, any of the transaction code, sorry, any of the data. See, first we'll go with the copy requirement. So what does it mean? So basically it means, see, 01, it means whenever you are creating a sale order with reference